The St. Catherine police have launched an investigation into the murder of a man whose body was found in Pineapple Lane, Bog Walk in the parish. The police have identified him as Kemar Kenson, otherwise called 10 Days, a 28-year-old construction worker of Cooley Lane, Bog Walk. It is reported that about 7 p.m. Thursday, Kenson was returning from a grocery shop in the community when explosions were heard. Residents later discovered his body and summoned the police. The police say on their arrival they observed what appeared to be gunshot wounds to Kenson's head. He was dressed in a purple shirt and grey shorts with a mosquito coil on his chest and had no shoes on his feet. A St. Catherine taxi operator has been taken into police custody after he and two other men were allegedly caught stealing telecommunication cables in Christiana, Manchester on Friday morning. A police source said the 37-year-old taxi operator was held about 4:30 a.m. when a security guard with the help of the police thwarted the theft. On Wildman Street, the police and security guard observed a white Toyota Probox with the trunk open and men loading the wire into the vehicle. Two of the men ran. The police were able to intercept the operator of the vehicle, said the source. The vehicle and the cables were seized. Another of the 8 inmates who escaped during a jailbreak at the Black River police lockup was captured by officers assigned to the St. Catherine North Division during a police operation on Thursday in Trial Heights, Spanish Town in the parish. He has been identified as Kenneth Stewart, who was charged for murder. According to the Senior Superintendent of Police, Howard Chambers, commanding officer for St. Catherine North, Stewart's baby mother was also taken into custody accused of harboring a fugitive. Just want to remind the public that harboring a fugitive is a criminal offense, so we are asking the public to cooperate with the police. Call the police as soon as any of these escapees are seen, SSP Chambers urged. Stewart is the second of the inmates to be captured since the 8 men broke out of the lockup on June 19. The first escapee was caught at a bar in Buena Vista near Myersville in St. Elizabeth. Acting Superintendent Coleridge Minto, commanding officer for St. Elizabeth, also made an appeal to all citizens in Jamaica to share any information that you may have on the remaining escapees.